Hi friends, welcome back to Miss Laurie's Stories. Today I'm reading The Nuts Keep Rolling by Eric Litwin. This is another fun story about the nut family. And again, I read these stories in the same way that Eric Litwin would read his stories. Hazel and Wally were really small. They want to be big and tall. Oh, my friends, let's just look at the picture. Oh yeah, there's Hazel trying to get an apple from the apple tree. They are so small. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna start off really small and then we're gonna grow really big. So let's get as small as we can on the ground. Ooh, that's how I like to get really, really small. But maybe you like to get small differently, and that's okay. I've had friends who like to get small on their back like this, or I've had friends who like to get small like this. There's no wrong answer. As long as you're moving your body, you're doing great. I'm going to be small like this. I remember Hazel and Laurie were really small, but they want to grow big and tall. So we're just going to grow and get bigger and taller. Can you get bigger and bigger? Oh, so big and tall. You could be big like this. You could be tall like that. Again, there's no wrong way to be. Thanks for growing with me. I think we should do it one more time. So get really, 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 really small again. I remember Hazel and Lonnie want to get really, really big. So let's start growing. Oh, you're all so big and tall. Whew. Nice. So they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And they sang this song. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until, all right, my friends, they are rolling and rolling and rolling through the mud. And now they are the size of cats. Do you remember to say cat with me in sign language? We can practice together. Cat starts with letter C. And we're going to take our C. You make your fingers meet your thumb. And I'm going to do that like you're going to pet your whisker. And just bring it away from your face. Cat. And now we're going to become a cat in cat pose. All right, so for cat pose, we're going to put our hands and knees on the floor, Nice, just like me. Hands and knees on the floor, Right, now for cat, we're going to curl our chin into our chest. And we're going to curl our shoulders and back. And what sound does a cat make? Meow. Can I hear your cats again, please? Meow. Nice. All right, friends, let's do a little cat cow together. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm ready. All right, ready? We'll start in cow. We'll say moo, meow, moo, meow, moo, meow. We go faster. Moo, meow, moo, meow, moo, meow, moo, meow. That was so great. All right, so now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until a pack of dogs came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? Ready, friends? We're going to keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah! They grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of big dogs. Whoa. So, first they were the size of cats. And now they're growing even bigger. And now they're the size of dogs. Remember I say dog with me in sign language? You can get out your dog paw. And just pretend to scratch behind your ear. Nice. And now we are going to become a dog. Let's start in downward dog. And then we'll move into upward dog. All right, so for downward dog, we want our hands and feet on the floor. And your bottom's way up high. And remember, please don't put your head down on the ground. You'll hurt yourself. Ouch. And what sound do dogs make? Or woof, 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 woof. Nice. All right, now from here, we're going to switch into an upward dog. So flip over your toes, your feet. So your toes are pressing into the floor. And my hands are pressing down to the ground. My arms are straight. I'm going to look up at the sun, the sky. Let's bark like dogs here. Whoa, sounded like a real pack of dogs was here with me. All right, so now they're the size of dogs. Hazel and Wally were giggling until the dog catcher came over the hill. Oh no, what can they do? Ready to sing with me? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah. They grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of elephants. Whoa, elephants are huge. My friends, do you remember the elephant in sign language? All right, kind of that letter C again, even though elephant does not start with C. It's just the shape of our hand. And we're going to put it by your nose, and we're going to have a nice long trunk going up. Because elephants have long trunks for their nose. Thanks. Elephant. And now we are going to become elephants together. All right, so let's stand up on our big elephant feet. And for elephant, we need to spread our feet wide. So we have a nice wide stance. And if you can bend your knees a little and get ready to stomp your big elephant feet, we need to put our hands together, and this is going to be our trunk. So while we stomp our feet, you're going to sway your trunk back and forth. Nice. And then on the count of 3, we're going to raise our trunks and make a loud elephant sound. I always need your help. I'm not going to lie. My elephant sounds, they could always be better. And you're here to help me. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Thanks, elephants. You sounded great. Let's do it one more time. Sway your big elephant trunk, stomp your big elephant feet. Wait, let's try to put our trunk the other way. And yay! Thank you, elephants. Do you think Hazel and Wally can grow even bigger? Let's see. Hazel and Wally were laughing until the zookeeper came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? All right, my friends, will you sing with me again? Because they're going to keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh no! It started to rain. The sky turned gray. The mud and the goo were all washed away. And they became smaller and smaller and smaller. So my friends, the weather
changed. It's no longer a sunny day. It's now raining. And the rain is making the mud wash away. So they're not so big anymore. They're getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So you remember how we got to grow really big? Now we're going to grow really, really small, just like Wally and Hazel. So let's start off really big as you can get. Remember, there's no wrong way to move. So you can be big like this, be big like this, be big however you want. All right, now ready? We're going to start to get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh, you got so small. How do we do that one more time together? So get really, really big again. All ready? Let's get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. How do you think Wally and Hazel are going to feel now that they're smaller and smaller? You know, well, the zookeeper was just chasing them. Let's see. Now they were little and out there alone, but Hazel and Wally knew how to get home. What can they do? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Can we do that one more time together with the movements? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah! Oh, they rolled to their house. It was cozy and bright. Mama and Papa Nut hugged them so tight. Can we all give ourselves a huge hug too? Ready? Reach out your arms and your hands and just wrap them around yourself. Because you're home and you're safe and you're loved. And that's so important and special. No place like home. And that family was happy, even though they were small. Because when you have each other, then you have it all. The end. So did it matter that they're small? No, it doesn't matter if you're big or small. Like the book said, when you have each other, you have it all. Look how happy they are. What a beautiful, nutty family. And that's the end of the nuts. Keep rolling. My friends, I saw a beautiful rainbow at the end. We could practice rainbow together real quick before we say bye. All right, we need those C shapes again. That's so funny for rainbow. So let's do that together. Put your hands together at the top and bring them down in front. The shape of a rainbow in art. My friends, it was so fun reading this story with you, and I'll read more stories to you again really soon. I love you. Bye, friends.